Hello everyone, it's 12th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. The first page we have EC extends deadline for SIR in 5 states or 1 union territory. Again, very important for political governance perspective. Then we have Vice Chairman appointment impasses, SC turns to Justice Dhulia panel. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Odisha CM Manchi hands over citizenship certificates to 35 migrants under CAA. Again, very important for political governance perspective. Then we have standing on humanitarian ground. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have savings shift reshapes India's markets. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have why UN rating matters as India prepares for Gaganyaan. Again, very important for defense, science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have Goa fire, Thailand to deport Luthra brothers. Court denies transit bail. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have debate on Vande Mataram only to set the record straight, says Nadda. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Shah's reply in Lok Sabha showed he is under pressure, says Congress. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have DPIIT signals Copyright Act changes to address AI issues. Again, very important for AI, science and tech perspective. Then we have Supreme Court says migration in SIR order may include illegal crossing into India. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have Aadhaar app to enable offline sharing by exposing minimal data, says UIDAI CEO. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have Mexico's 2024 tariffs could still hurt India's auto exports. Again, very important for international perspective. Then we have India seeing great momentum in AI. Agentic AI deployment, says Nadella. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have the world page where we have Bangladesh to hold general elections, July Qatar referendum on February 12th. Then we have US clears $686 million F-16 support deal for Pakistan. Then we have US launches Trump gold card. Then we have Pakistan military court jails ex-spy chief to 14 years. Then we have Europe's dilemma, how to finance Ukraine. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.